Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we will be doing a complete portfolio review, actually showing you guys my total history on Robinhood, which is actually kind of sad to see, but I hopefully you guys stick by to see it. It's not been a great year and a half since I've been starting to use Robinhood, but I want to be transparent with you guys and show it all to you guys, as well as going over how we have done in the last week with our portfolio, what stocks are gaining, what stocks are losing, which stocks we're taking a look at, everything like that. You already know that it's going to be jam-packed with as much stock information as possible. That sounds really lame, but you guys know it's fun. So yeah, before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. So first off, I've got to say thank you guys all so much for helping me reach the 1,000 subscriber milestone on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for supporting me on this channel. I've been making videos for over a year. I want to thank you guys all so much for the support, all your comments. I really do appreciate them, and I just want to thank you guys all for all of that support. You guys are truly amazing. So getting into the video, we are actually going to show the full history of my Robinhood account, which, brace yourselves, take a deep breath, and check it out. In all of my Robinhood history, I am on a loss of $1,170. So I'm going to go over a quick overview of what happened. This is only going to take like 30 seconds. That caused me to gain money at some places and lose money in some places. So starting off, we just started off using Robinhood because it's free trading, and why not try it out? So I started falling in love with the platform. It was amazing. Right here, right around here, I was doing swing trading, some long-term investing, and it started going pretty well with the swing trading, especially with DGAs and UGAs. While they were pretty predictable, I was able to lock in some profits. I started off, I think it was with $500, and I grew it up to $800 within the first like 2 months. So that was incredible for me, at least. And this is when I discovered options, right around this peak right here. I decided options, and whoa, options are pretty cool. You can make a lot of money with them. And this is the whole crash that followed with me discovering options. And as you can tell, it was not too good. And we restarted the challenge of growing my portfolio with around $200, somewhere around this area. And then from there, we also lost that all through options. And right around this area, I started getting a little more confident with options, and I was getting a little more knowledgeable and getting more educated in options. So that's why we jumped up a bit, and we jumped up a bit here. And of course, if you guys been following my recent videos, we actually ended up dumping down like $600 down the drain because of the coronavirus. I was holding some Facebook calls. I was super confident about my position. I was hoping we could get back to where we started, but no, the coronavirus came and ended up losing it all. But that is the end, and it's truly the end of options for me. And now when I'm saying that, I really do mean it. I know I've said it many times in the past, but now I am not going to be trading any more options on Robinhood or in general, because I know that they've done a lot of harm to my account. All of this right here you guys see, that is all from options. So we're going to be looking to make that back. We'll be making monthly deposits into a Robinhood account, trying to grow that money through long-term investing, and hopefully we can make it back within the next year. So that'll be an interesting journey, and we're starting from scratch right now, starting with around $2,300, trying to grow this as much as possible and trying to grow to $1 million. And we'll actually be making deposits so we can expedite that growth. So thank you guys for sticking around through that little story time that I did. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go over the last year, how we have done, down around $680. The last 3 months, we were down around $455. The last month, $570, and the last week, $190. So that's our total Robinhood history, little story time right there. And yeah, without further ado, let's just see what happened in the last week with our Robinhood portfolio. So in the last week, we were down around $190, and that's mostly because of me trading darn options on this is the option that actually lost me money, and I actually made money off of a different option, which I'm going to show you guys. So obviously the day after I sell it, it just pops off and goes up like crazy amount. Okay, that's nice. So I sold my GILD calls on Friday, I think it was, and it's Monday right now, and they popped off. They went like crazy. I bet this $20 call that I had is worth like $70 right now, or maybe even $100. So that's nice. That's nice. You guys know Casper gets burned by options often. So yeah, we bought it for 93 and we sold it for 20. So that was a pretty massive loss of $73. But we did end up making some pennies on the dollar with JBLU. This is an airline company, and we actually bought some puts during the coronavirus fears, and we ended up making a total of, let's see, let's show more history. So we bought a contract for 45 and we bought one for 75. We sold that 75 one for 80 and we sold that 45 one for 55. So we made a total of $15 profit, which definitely does not cover all of our options losses, but it was a nice little win that I was able to exit a position without actually being a loss. So I'm happy about that. And yeah, today we were mostly up because of Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, NextEra Energy, and all these stocks basically that I'm holding right here, except for Uber. As you guys can see, all of these stocks are up like 6, 7, 8, and even Apple 9% today, which is absolutely crazy. And I'll be telling you guys which stocks I'm actually looking to take positions in the following week because of these huge discounts in the stock market. But before I do that, I'm going to show you guys my total return on each of these stocks a little bit after the recovery. After a little bit of a recovery from the coronavirus, we are actually up on the major positions that we are up on are Apple, Microsoft, and NextEra Energy. I will definitely be looking to buy some NextEra Energy in the next few days because it's on a really nice discount price. And we got to look at ARR. We are up a bit, and AMD. So in total, all in all, we are down around 30. So that's around, I don't want to do the math in front of you, all of you guys, because I know it's going to be boring. But I'm going to say we're down around $80 from all our losses, and we're up around 150, 160, maybe $160 from all our profits from long-term holding, meaning we're up a total of around $80 from just long-term investing for the past few months, which I cannot complain about. It's always free money. So the stocks that I'm looking to buy this following week are basically Facebook, NextEra Energy, and Microsoft. I'm not really sure about Apple. Apple's a great company, but one share is enough for me. And one big stock that I'm actually taking a look at is Tesla. Tesla has been on a huge discount, well, other than today, because it popped off today. Not AT&T, sorry. Tesla. Tesla's been on a... Why is it not showing Tesla, guys? Why is it not showing Tesla? There we go. We got Tesla right here. Today it's up, actually. Wow, it's up like $100 today. But I saw it at around $650 for a nice bargain right here. And I was actually planning on buying some, maybe making a deposit, but Robinhood was down today, if you guys are not aware. So we weren't able to buy any shares. However, that's all fine. We'll still be able to find a nice position on Tesla. And hopefully we'll actually be able to get the fractional shares feature on Robinhood soon. So I'm excited for that to come out. So the main stocks that I'm actually looking to buy in the next few days are Uber, NextEra Energy, Facebook, and Microsoft. Those 4 stocks, that's just basically what I'm looking to buy. And hopefully Robinhood will come up with the fractional shares for most of the people who are using the platform soon. And yeah, that's what we're looking to do in this following week. I apologize for a slightly later upload, but it was a crazy weekend for me. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.